Hello, my Niger people where they stay for Italy. My name now Suya Ene Vivian. I be the secretary of the Nigerian community where they for south of Italy for Campania region for year. I be also the founder of Vive la Vive Initiative Foundation for year for Italy too. Today I won't give you a very important information about what did happen for Italy. If they stay for Italy, you will not say they don't shut down Italy. When they may say shut down, I may say they don't close down because of what did happen. As we speak today, the 10th of March 2020, over 9,000 cases of this coronavirus, this COVID-19, they don't report these cases. As we talk, so more than over 400 people don't die for this matter. Not be small matter be this one. Because of that now they don't shut down Italy. Now the oga pata for interior matter, that is the person where they responsible for everything where they happen for inside Italy. When they call Luciana Lamorgese, come out with different laws now. Make we not play with them. This message now for my Niger people where they for Italy. My Niger people where they stay for Campania region, for the south for Italy, they're very important. So I'm gonna listen as I explain them small to the best of my knowledge. Okay? The first one he talks say, he don't give many authorities for Italy here for now. Power, authority make they do things. Now, police or Polizia Municipale, police or train station, or they get with police. They get head police. All of them now, they don't wake up because the matter don't too much. They say they go to control anybody where they enter Italy, where they enter any states now for Italy, they go to control them. You can't say this time not be time where anybody go take the waka, any kukere waka. This time not be time for just the waka, wake up, just the waka, say you won't go here, you won't go visit person and be, you won't. No, this time not be the time for you. They say they control seriously. So if you know what they're good for you, just go stay house. They say they won't advise say make everybody just stay house. They say they catch you for outside, and you not get any reason to stay outside. So if you're there outside, that means say now the thing go be emergency. That means say maybe the health matter, or you get to go work. The kind of work where you work, you know, if you stay house and you go get paper for hand where you go show say you get to work. If not, they say they go fear arrest you, put you for prison for 3 months, or you go pay about 206 euros for this matter. That's one. They say another one where they talk again, they say they don't put people in charge, like a carabinieri, police, what they call it, municipio policiato. They go there for highway. They go there for autostrada. They go there everywhere. Even for inside street, for inside town, they go there. What did they do? They go, they control everybody. Then they say they even get for train station too. You know, trains where they come out, where they go, they control them too. They get health officials where go there, they check people. Now they say they even get one new device, one new thing that they call thermoscan. Thermoscan, it won't be like a thermometer. You know, when you get temperature, your body they hot, maybe you get fever. That small thing where you take they put for your armpits, you know, where you take measure your temperature. If you don't pass 37 degrees centigrade, let me say, if like say your body don't dey hot, you don't dey get temperature. They say they get them now for train station. They call them thermoscan. And they go ask you questions when they stop you. After they don't scan you finish, that machine don't scan you finish, they go begin to ask you questions. And you get to answer all the questions that they ask you, to declare, say you yourself, you dey okay. You see the control where they this period. I go even advise person, if you don't say you don't get any important thing where you want to do, this won't be the time to do waka care at all. They say, even for airports too, control full airports. You know, say if you want travel, you go get your document where you go take travel. That one for sure. Then, apart from that document where you want to travel, you go get another document again. They call it self-certification. That one go show say you self they okay. Then people where they transit, people where they come from other countries now, you know, say they don't want enter Italy, they go just transit. They go stop for airport, they know they come inside Italy. They say those ones they not go control them because they don't want enter Italy. As they stop for there, they wait, they enter their next flight continue. Those ones not get problem because they not go control them. And so they talk. They come to say, another matter again, people where they come for Shege countries. Shege countries are like France, for Germany, for Spain, people where they go that side. Then are Shege countries. And people where they go non-Shege countries too. Like Norway. Even UK now, United Kingdom, all those London side, they don't come up for EU matter. They recently come up for EU matter. They say they go, they control them well too. They say even people when they inside ship, this matter rich people when they inside ship, they go hang for that side. Big ship, all those rich men, where they take ship, they go, they enjoy themselves there. For boat, for canoe. They say all the passengers where they inside ship. Aside the ones who they for Venice, they no go just let them come down. Anywhere where they come from, once they reach Venice or once they reach where water they for sure, if not for Napoli or if not for Venice, so they know they let them come down again. They say they go leave them inside and they go ask them, may they return to where they come from. May they go back to where they come from. Now so they talk, not be me they talk. I go attach all the paper and join this video what they make so. And the last one, they say anybody will try to not respect any of these laws. They say if you try not to, you won't do like say you too know. They're ready for you. Yeah, not be Nigeria where they misbehave, they get away with them. As usual, they put the law so now so you could respect them. They say everybody get to respect the law because if you look and safe now for our own benefits. If you look and for our own benefits. You understand? So they say anybody will not respect the law, you know what will go happen? They go find you, they feel give you fine. If they catch you, say you the waka kukere, they go feel penalize you. They see the penalty, they say they feel put you for jail for 3 months. Now the truth that they talk, I go attach the thing put. They feel put you for jail for 3 months, or you go pay about 206 euros. That's what they talk. Say because even one article that they call an article 452 of the criminal code, that one be say if you won't do pass yourself, so say you can't misbehave, you can't become like you won't use your hot body to enter another person home. Say that one and be say, well, I don't start. The first one be say they go jail you 3 months, or you go pay over 206 euros. Then if you know the year word, you won't toss in and you stop and pass. Say you won't go here, you won't do that. As I don't tell me this, as I don't toss me sit down one place. You say you don't want to sit down one place. They say they go charge you under Article 452 of the criminal code. Now they go take deal with you. And finally, then say then don't do all these things for your own. Now these things what they do now for our benefits, for you and for them too. Because of this coronavirus matter. Because if the matter go out of hand, they don't get where they won't keep anybody where they sick. As it been so now, more than 9,000 people reported cases for this matter. Do you understand me? More than 400 people don't die. As of today, 463 people don't die, so they talk. Hey, that will not be small matter. Another matter again now, when I want to see you, be say, I want inform on Nigeria with the Italy. To be say, the president for, that is now, this one for Napoli, Campania region, he say, that's the president for church matter for Campania, for Italy. The name na Cardinal Crescenzo Seppa. This one they control church matter for Campania. He say, may they stop all religious matter now. Make una stop. Those of una weighing carry this thing for head. He said this time, make una stop. Both baptism, who won't marry, the one where die, where they want to funeral. No movement. Make everybody just stop. Now the truth is they talk. You know why? The more people they mix, the more people they stay together. They don't find that now. So the virus could they grow, it could they grow, it could they grow, they bomb picking they go. At the end, they don't feel control anything. Then go suffer, we self go suffer. This is not time we go use wisdom to do things. You understand? So you say, Cardinal say make anybody not go anywhere, even church too. Anywhere where they go date together like that. For church, for bar, for discotheque, for palestra, where they do exercise, for restaurants, you know, just name anywhere where more than 3 people, 4 people go just day like that. They say they don't need them now. No, we use wisdom to do something. I also get another information again. This now from the National Union of all Nigeria Association for Italy. They call her NUNI. NUNI, they give all Nigeria information now. They say our embassy where they Rome, that's the Nigerian embassy where they Rome, say they don't close too. Nigerian embassy don't close because of this coronavirus matter, COVID-19. They don't know when they go open. They don't know when they go open. So as soon as this matter they okay, they go see inform the National Union of all Nigeria Association where they Italy say they don't open. And that one now go come inform all the Nigeria associations where they for the different region, like Napoli, like for Roma, for Milano, for Padova, for Venice. They will begin inform us too. And I go try to come here too to inform una too say they don't open too. So another thing again, we say, if anybody, if you did for Campania region, that's Napoli, Avellino, Benevento, Caserta, all this area, Salerno. If you did, as you did now, because as you did has the no movement, make everybody isolate himself. If you know say you get cough, your body they hot, one kind flu, you just keep yourself, just stay away from people. You understand? You just isolate yourself. If you not spread this thing too much. Okay, and you self too, where they listen to me. If you notice that somebody get all these symptoms, if they cough, catarrh they nose, and body they hot, small, you self, you will use your church mind to move, come on for one too. That they call this one wisdom. You understand? And if your body they hot and you do this area, they get number where you go call. No need to rush go hospital. Nobody go answer you if you go hospital. Nobody go answer you. So they say make you call one number for year. This number you don't need to pay. The number now. 800 90 96 99 800 90 96 99. I go see why the number join this video where they make so if your body get as they do you just call this number. They say they even advise us, say many people they call this number, so you go wait, you go get patient, you wait, you go they try until you get them, because now the number for the whole campaign and I be this one. You understand? So, and another thing again, even the president of Campania, they call her Vincenzo De Luca, that one to say all schools don't close too. The whole schools where they Italy don't close. Both secondary school, both primary school, both this kindergarten, all of them don't close. And I know why they do all these things. Now because they want us to stay okay. Make this virus not spread. Because they don't notice, say, now from person to person, now this virus is spread. So if now to person now this virus is spread, they get to curtail them, make it not spread. People get to isolate themselves. Where they go, they gather, they don't want them again. Now wisdom. I don't feel make this video before now. When I make this video, like last week, say make people know they gather again. They say I no get sense. People they laugh at me. You know, say when you not be anybody, you not be mama or papa for church, and you go church, go talk this kind of thing, say, you know, they wise, make they gather like this. They say you not love God. They don't teach us. Bible talk say God now inside you now day. All of us carry the spirit of Jesus inside of us. You understand? So now the same Kudeas, I encourage everybody that they pray for house. May we pray for this country where we dey. See as they affect them, now so it go affect us too. You understand? We could change our mindset. Not the way God not fit do. This is not the time to really dey prayerful. This is not the time. God say we call him when problem dey. So all of us go dey house this period, we go dey call the name of God, and he go answer us, and be it unto you according to your faith, my people. I know say nothing will happen to us in Jesus' mighty name. Make una stay blessed, Make una inbox me if anything, if una hear anything too, and not talk, join this video. When I inbox me, make I do video, make I inform our people. Okay? Now stay blessed, Bye-bye.